Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this amazing benefit, this amazing recipe. This is very good for for your knee pain, any pain at all. If you have sore muscle, this is cayenne pepper. This is those cayenne pepper we use for making our dishes, and this is also castor oil. Castor oil is very good for massage. If you have sore muscle, your knee, your arm pain, any part of your body is aching you, these ingredients are a very good one recipe for this massage balm. Now we are going to use a jar to put it after. Then we add this castor oil, 30 ml of castor oil, and we are going to use about half tablespoon of this cayenne pepper. Now, I'm using like three table this spoon. I'm using like 3 spoons, which make half tablespoons of the cayenne pepper. Now mix them thoroughly. The next ingredient that I'll be using is shea butter. Shea butter is a win-win if you have some muscle. If you want to massage yourself after a long day, shea butter is a good to go all day round. Shea butter is good for your hair, your skin, and overall skin and hair type. Now, after mixing them, you want to put them in a bowl or in a jar. Then you can massage it any part of your body that you need. This is my hand just to demonstrate. Just put them in a jar, cover it in a lid, and leave it there. Anytime you need, just massage any part of your body, your knee. You will notice that you have relief. Now, if you like this video, kindly like, share, subscribe. See you.